down? That's the question people seem to be asking as OpenAI tries to scale up their infrastructure. So how do you check if ChatGPT is down? The easiest and most efficient way of doing that is to visit this URL. OpenAI has a status page. So you go to status.openai.com. I think I have that pulled up here. Let me see if I can bring that up. Yep, there you go. OpenAI status.openai.com. You hit that URL and let's see if I can just do a little zoom in so you can see that. Yep. Um, okay, so status.openai.com. It's a landing page with different statuses, but as long as you see a green, you should be good to go. And you can scroll down and see if there were any incidents today. Today is May 11th, the day I am recording this video. No incidents today, but yesterday, approximately, let's see, afternoonish, right, 11:59 PDT, there were some issues. So if we had issues using ChatGPT, you know why, right? These are the issues. Now, that's one way of doing it. Obviously, it's hosted by OpenAI, and they'll try to keep it as accurate as possible, hopefully. The other one is, let me go back to my presentation. So number one was this. Number two is something a lot of folks who are nomadic in nature or they do remote work, working from different countries, forget is not all countries are supported by OpenAI. So if you happen to log into one of your servers from, I don't know, China, Russia, Iran, Belarus, or some of your team members are working from there, then you should probably check if your country itself is supported. So when I travel, and I know a friend of mine who traveled to Venezuela, and he was checking why ChatGPT is not working. He's so addicted to that platform, and he's like, "Oh, this thing is not working." Obviously, in this case, Venezuela, as you see here in this list, is not. Uh, Venezuela is not a country where ChatGPT or GPT-3 is available, right? So look at that. Some of these cases where some of your services could also lie in some of these data centers, or it requires an API access coming from one of these countries. Most probably will not work. Okay, so that's number two. Um, so not highly likely, but has happened. Number three is pretty useful. I use this quite a bit. Is a website called Down Detector. It's downdetector.com, and they have a status page, but with a specific status page for OpenAI. Let me open that up. Okay, so this is on Down Detector. Let me bring the website into the view of the camera, Down Detector. So you go downdetector.com/status/OpenAI, again, downdetector.com/status/OpenAI, and it gives you a nice looking report. So usually it also gives you a timeline report, so you can see in the last 24 hours, especially today, even though OpenAI did not mention this, there seemed to be some spike in the afternoon. So see that thing? It's around the afternoon. There seems to be some OpenAI outages, even though the status page did not show up. So this seems to be a little more accurate, in my opinion, than the original status page of OpenAI. And they use Down Detector collects status information, and they have a methodology which you can read about here on how they do detection of services being out, or in this case, ChatGPT being down. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helps you when you are using ChatGPT quite a bit. Thank you.